So we are given a Java program and our task is to write a Python program which performs the same logic. So first let us see what we are doing in this Java program. So here first we are creating an object for the scanner class named SC, and then we are creating a new set named numSet, and the data structure used is tree set. So in tree set the values will be in sorted order and the duplicates will be removed. So that is how the tree set data structure works. And now we are creating a while loop, and within the condition we are giving sc.hasNextLine. So this method returns a boolean value. So it returns true if there is an input in the next line, else it returns false. So until we are accepting all the lines as input, this method will be returning true, and once when we reach the end it will return false and the while loop will be stopping to work. So whenever this function returns true, we will be executing the condition present inside the while loop. So let us see what we are doing inside that. So here we are accepting a list of integers and we are storing it into the num list. So we have two things, numSet and numList. So the numList is the list of integers which we accept in every line. So in every iteration of this while loop, after accepting the list of integers, we are adding all the list of integers to the numSet using the method named addAll. So here we can see that we are executing numSet.addAll numList. So all the contents of the numList will be added to numSet, and while it is being stored into the numSet, the values will be sorted as well as the duplicates will be removed, because the numSet is of tree set data structure. So that is how it works. And finally, after the execution of this while loop, we are iterating through all the values present in the numSet and we are printing the values. So this is what this Java program is doing. So now our task is to write a Python program which performs the same logic. So what we are doing is we are accepting list of integers in every line and we are storing it into a tree set data structure. So our task is to remove all the duplicates and print the sorted value. So let us write a program in Python to perform this. So first I am creating a new list named numSet. So later on we will convert this list into a set. So now our task is to accept the list of integers in every line, and we don't know how many lines will be present. So I am creating an infinite while loop. So I am creating a while loop with the condition true in it. So until we break out of this loop manually, this loop will be executing. So in every iteration of this loop, we will be accepting the list of integers within the try block. So I am setting list is equal to list map int input.split. So the list of integers will now be stored into this num list. So next our task is to add all the contents of num list into the numSet. So the similar method for addAll is extend. So here we have to set numSet.extend numList. So this method is similar to the addAll method in Java. So what happens is the contents of numSet will also be present and all the contents of numList will also be added to this numSet. So this is how this method extend works. So this is what we will be doing inside that try block. But in case if we are getting any exception, then it means that we have accepted all the lines of input. So in those cases we will enter into this except block, and in this except block we are executing the break condition. So we will move out of this while loop. So now we have accepted the list of integers in every line and all the integer values are present in the list named numSet. So now our task is to make it behave like a tree set. So in tree set the duplicates will be removed and the values will be sorted. So we have to perform both the things on the numSet. So first we have to convert this list into a set. So in order to perform that, I am using this set method, and it should also be sorted. So first it will be converted into a set, and after converting it to a set we will be sorting it. So now we have performed both the operation. It is a set, so we have removed the duplicates, and it is also sorted. So now it behaves like a tree set. So now our task is to print all the values present in the numSet. So we can iterate over the numSet and print all the values, which will be the required output. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.